Hi everybody, welcome back. I can't believe we're already at our last maths video for now. It's gone so quickly. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have and possibly even learned a little something along the way. So we're going to be finishing off our addition and subtraction today by practicing a little bit of both. So over the last couple of weeks, we've been building it up, starting off with one more and one less. Then we did a bit of addition, then a bit of subtraction. And today, hopefully, we're going to put everything we've learned together and you're going to be able to have a little practice, doing a bit of adding, a bit of taking away. We'll go through it all together, go through some of the answers. And then hopefully you feel really happy and really confident that you've got it and that when you go back to school, you'll be an expert at adding and taking away. So you might see me in some other videos if you're doing a little bit of art over the next couple of weeks, or you might have seen some of them already. This is my last maths one for now, but who knows, hopefully at some point we will get to see each other again in the future. I just wanted to say thank you and that I'm really proud of you for coming and joining my, what I now lovingly call Maths with Miss Popham videos. Yeah, so thank you for coming along this journey with me, and it's been a lot of fun to be a part of it and to be able to do teaching and a bit of learning with you from my home to your home, and hopefully you've enjoyed it as well. So let's have a little look at what it is you're going to need for today's video and then we can get started. You might have got some of these bits together already because you can probably guess after the last couple of weeks some of the things that you're going to need for our addition and subtraction recap. So here we go, pause the screen if you need a little bit of time. This has got all the things you're going to need for today's activities, along with a lot of the keywords that we've been learning over the last couple of weeks. So you might have got those bits together already. If not, pause the screen now and give yourself a bit of a chance to get all your bits together. So fingers crossed now you are ready to get started with today's session. So first of all, we're going to recap addition. I'm going to show you really quickly some of the different strategies, some of the different ways, the different methods we've been practicing using to solve our addition number sentences. Then you're going to be able to have a go independently, so on your own. And after that, we will go through the subtraction. But for now, just put your addition brain in, your adding brain. We're going to be making our numbers bigger to begin with. So let's have a look at some of the strategies that we've been using to practice our addition. So here we go, some of the different ways that you could work out our adding number sentences. So with your dots, we've done loads of those over the last couple of weeks. So hopefully you're feeling quite good, quite happy about that. A number line, so I know some of you will have chosen to use a number line and I've been using mine to show you. Your objects, your concrete materials, so that might be your Lego, your biscuits, your grapes. We've seen strawberries, we've seen tomatoes, we've seen pasta, we've seen just about everything. Pictures, so that's just another one I've thrown in. If you're a good drawer, unlike Miss Popham, you might, instead of drawing dots, want to draw stars or triangles. We might throw some shapes in with that today. It's a bit of extra learning. Or you might sometimes use another method to help you, to support you, such as counting on your fingers. So those are all the different ways you could use to help practice solving our adding number sentences today. So on the first page, these are some that are up to 10 that you might want to have a go at practicing. Or you might want to have a go at these first and then move on to our teen number sentences. Those are coming up on the next page. So pause if you want to have a go at these first and then press play when you're ready to move on. If you want to go straight into the bigger number sentences, here they are, and you're going to want to pause this screen. Make sure you've got somewhere to write down your answers so we can go through them together at the end. So pause this screen now, and then when you're ready to go through the answers, press play and come back. Right, fingers crossed now you've had a chance to go through some of those. You might have had a go at both, up to 10 and up to 20, or you might have just had a go at one or the other. Either way, we're going to go through them all. I won't show you how to work out all of the answers. I'll tell you them all, but you probably don't want to watch me work them all out because I know that you've probably been able to do it yourself. I'll just show you a couple just to reinforce, to show you again some of the ways that you could have worked them out. So let's go through the ones up to 10 together first of all. Here we go. So the first one was 5 add 2 equals 7. Excuse me. So I'm going to do that with my pasta first. So if I had 5 pieces of pasta, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if I added on 2 more, 1, 2, then we could count how many we've now got all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that was one of the ways you could have worked out that your 5 add 2 equals 7. The next one was 4 add 4. So 4 and 4, you might have done that if you've done a bit of doubling at school before. So 4 and 4 equals 8. Again, you might have done that with your counting objects like my pasta, or you might have drawn your dots or used your number line or something else. But well done if you got that one. 4 add 4 equals 8. And the last one is 6 add 3. And I'm going to do that on my whiteboard. You might have done it using a pen and paper. So we had 6 add 3 equals, my upside down writing's got better over the last couple of weeks, sort of, I think. So 6 dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 3, 1, 2, 3. See if you can count with me to see how many we've got all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Brilliant counting. So remember, after my equal signs, where I put my answer, 6 add 3 equals 9. So great job if you got those, well done. Don't worry if you didn't, you'll have lots more chance to practice when you get back to school and you're doing your learning back in your classroom, I'm sure. If you had a go at the answers up to 20, let's go through those now. So 12 add 6. So if you had 12 bricks, you might have used bricks for your counting, and you got 6 more bricks and you added on 6 more, and you would have 18 bricks. That's a big number. Well done if you counted that. So 12 add 6 is 18. The next one was 11 add 3 equals 14. So I'm going to have a look at that on my number line. So I might count along my number line to find the number 11, which is made up of 10 and 1. So 11, and how many more was I counting on? This is what Miss Bobham's not very good at and needs to practice. 3 more. So let's do 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3, or boing, boing, boing. And that gives us the number 14, made up of 10 and 4. So 11 add 3, 3 jumps gives us 14. And then the last one was 15 add 2. So 15 add 2 more equals 17. Now that is a lot of dots to draw, but let's have a go anyway. So we had 15 add on 2 more equals, now I'm going to need you to help me careful count these because 15 is a big number to count up to. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 2 more. There we go, and let's have a go at counting them all together. Ready? Careful counting fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Well done, which we write like that, and is made up of 10 and 7, 17. Perfect, so 15 add 2 equals 17. Well done if you got that one right at home. So hopefully now you feel you've had a lot of practice at doing our adding on and making our numbers bigger. So I want you to take your adding brain out now. And you can put that one to the side for later, because now we're going to practice our subtracting, that big word subtraction, which just means that we're going to be taking away. So I want you to put your taking away brain in now. because you need to remember that now our numbers aren't getting bigger, they're getting smaller. Fantastic. So again, you can use this, you can, oh, this one's muddling up her words. This is what happens when you're talking non-stop for hours and hours on end. So strategies that you can use, ways that you can work this out are, again, with your dots, using your number line, but remember to jump back down the other way. Again, your counting objects, pictures that you might want to do. I might do that this time. I said we were going to practice some of our shapes. Or again, another method, for example, counting on your fingers. So just like we did for adding, I'm going to show you some sums, some number sentences that are up to 10. First of all, if you want to start off with those and move on, that's absolutely fine. Or if you just want to do those, no problem. And then after that, I'll show you the screen with the bigger numbers, the teen numbers, for you to pause if you want to have a go at those. And then at the end, just like we've just done for the adding, we'll go through the answers together. So let's have a look. Here we go, here's our first page for our subtraction. So pause this one if you want to have a go at 10 take away 6, 7 take away 5, or 5 take away 3. Or you can pause this one and then have a go at the next slide when you're ready. If you want to have a go with some teen numbers up to 20, here's the page. So we've got 19 take away 6, 15 take away 5, and 12 take away 3. If you'd like to have a go at those, pause now and press play when you're ready to go through them together. Good luck. Right, fingers crossed now, you've had a chance to go through all of those. So let's look at some of the answers together. Just like I did before, some of them I'll just read the answers and other ones I will work through with you so that you can see how we could work it out, or it just means if you didn't find the right answer, we can go through it again together, the two of us. So let's see. Here we go. So first of all, 10 take away 6 equals 4. I know sometimes at my school, in my class, we do our number bonds to 10. So if you know some of your number bonds to 10, that might have helped you work that one out, because 6 and 4 together make 10. So 10 take away 6 leaves us with 4. So if you had 10 sweeties and you gave away 6 of them to your friends because you were doing super sharing, you would have 4 left. Let's have a go at the next one. So 7 take away 4. I'm going to do this one on my whiteboard. 7 take away 4. So let me write it as a number sentence. 7 take away 4 equals. So let's do 7 dots. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And instead of doing 4 here, what do I need to do? Well done. I need to go back and cross them out this time. So cross out 1, 2, 3, 4. How many have I got left? Just 1, 2, 3. So after our equals sign, that's where we write our number 3. So 7, take away or subtract, if you want to use that big grown-up word. 7 subtract 4 equals, so leaves us with just 3 little ones at the end. And then the last one up to 10 was 5 take away 3. And 5 take away 3 should have left you with 2. I'm going to show you quickly with my counting objects. So if I get 5 pieces of pasta, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm sure we were taking away 2. So I'll just have a look. No, we were taking away 3. See, this is why I check. I don't know how it falls out my brain so fast. 5, take away 3. So help me take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Or leaves us with just 2 little lonely ones. 1, 2. So well done if you worked out that. 5 take away 3 equals 2. Now let's have a look at the teen ones. So you ready? So 19 take away 6. That was a really big one. Let's look at that one on our number line. So 19 take away 6. 19 is right near the end of my number line. It's right before the number 20, made up of 10 bricks and 9 bricks, 19. And we need to do 6 jumps back down our number line. We're going to have to count really carefully to make sure that we do 6. Will you help me? Thank you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. What number have we got? Do you know what that one is? 13. Amazing. So made up of 10 and 3, there's our number 13. So we know that 19, take away 6, going back down 6 jumps, subtract 6, leaves us with 13. So that's the answer. Fantastic. Give yourself a pat on the back if you got that one. 15, take away 5 equals 10. If you've done counting in 5s, that might help you. So if you had 15 pennies and you spent 5 of them on some sweeties, then you would have 10 left. And then the last one is 12, take away 3. And let's see that on my whiteboard. So our number sentence is 12, take away 3 equals, so let's do 12 of our spots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And how many are we going to cross out? 3. You're a superstar. You're so good at this now. Let's cross off 3 then. 1, 2, 3. And let's see if you can help me count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Brilliant. So 12 take away or subtract 3 equals, so how many we've got left now? We've got 9. Fantastic. So hopefully you got that at home, but if you didn't, now that we've gone through it together, hopefully you understand how we got to the answer. And that's it for my slides. That's it for our adding and our taking away, our adding and our subtracting. Hopefully you're feeling really happy and really confident and you think you could maybe have a go at that another time on your own now. But thank you so much for doing them with me. I'm really proud of how well you've done with your adding and your taking away over the last 10 sessions together. So give yourselves a marshmallow clap, or you could do a firework clap, or even one of our really fast sonic claps, a round of applause, or a pat on the back. Whatever you do, you definitely need to celebrate how hard you've worked and how well you've done over the last couple of weeks. It's been so much fun to do some maths with you. I hope that you take care and that I see you again soon. Keep a lookout for some of my art videos. We could do a bit of collage and a bit of making junk modelling things together. But until then, I've had loads of fun and I hope you have too. And look after yourself and your families. Stay safe. And I will see you again hopefully really soon. It's been lots of fun. Bye.